So now we're up to the last worksheet, the drag and drop. So basically for the drag and drop, you're simply dragging one cell content to another location. To do that, you need to click on the cell that you want to move, and then on the outside edges, if you hover around it, you should get a hand. Okay? And if you click, your hand's going to grab onto that cell, and then you can move your mouse around, and it's going to drag and drop your cell content to somewhere else. So, I want you to try the challenge. You're going to be selecting A4 to A6 and try to drag it to B4 to B6. So pause the video and give this one a go. So if you've done it correctly, you would have chosen A4 to A6, so click and drag, and then you can select on anywhere on the outside until you get those a hand, and you just drag it across to B4 to B6. And voila!